Welcome to the best picks. The best Nutribullet Juicer is probably one of the most sought-after kitchen appliances for health-conscious individuals looking to easily incorporate fresh fruits and vegetables into their diet, promising a quick and efficient way to extract nutrient-rich juices right in your own home, making healthy living more accessible and enjoyable than ever before. Number 5. Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Blender. Experience the incredible power of this 1100-watt motor. It effortlessly blends, crushes, and pulverizes ingredients for perfect results every time. Our total crushing blades are designed to pulverize ice into snow in mere seconds. This allows for smooth blending of even the toughest ingredients, perfect for all your favorite recipes. Prepare large batches of your favorite drinks and meals in the generous 72 ounces pitcher. It's ideal for entertaining guests, meal prepping, or serving everyone in the family. Enjoy the ultimate convenience by blending directly in the 16 ounces to-go cups. Simply attach the spout lids and take your delicious smoothies or shakes with you wherever you go. Achieve personalized blends with its versatile functions. With 3 manual speeds, pulse control, and a dedicated single-serve option, you get professional performance tailored to your needs. Cleanup is a breeze as all removable parts are BPA-free and top-rack dishwasher safe. Enjoy your creations without worrying about the mess. What we like. This blender boasts an 1100-watt motor for powerful blending and crushing. Its total crushing blades can turn ice into snow in seconds, perfect for smoothies and frozen drinks. If you're looking for a versatile blender that can handle tough ingredients and offers convenient to-go cups for busy mornings, this is a fantastic choice for meal prep and serving the whole family. What people say. The 72 ounces blender is incredibly powerful and handles smoothies, frozen fruit, and even ice with no problem at all. The 8-cup food processor bowl is also fantastic. It chops and mixes evenly, making meal prep so much faster and easier. It's very powerful and blends everything smoothly in seconds. I use it for smoothies, sauces, chopping vegetables, and even making dough, and it handles everything perfectly. This blender is powerful. It easily crushes ice and frozen fruit, and it makes very smooth smoothies, frozen drinks, and sauces. I like that it can handle tough ingredients without leaving big chunks behind. Number 4. Nutribullet NBR-0601WM Personal Blender. Start your journey to a healthier lifestyle with the original Nutribullet. It's designed to make healthy living simple and accessible for everyone. Effortlessly blend your favorite fruits, vegetables, and liquids into delicious, nutritious smoothies. Get the key nutrients your body needs in just moments. With 600 watts of power, it transforms even tough ingredients like spinach into perfectly smooth, sippable nutrition. Enjoy your blends without any chunks. Its easy-to-use design means you'll want to use it every single day. Just push, twist, and blend. It really is that simple to get started. Cleaning up is a breeze. Simply twist off the blades, rinse them with soap and water, and the cups are dishwasher safe. Enjoy health without the hassle. This package includes the powerful 600W motor base, extractor blade, a 24-ounce cup, a to-go lid, a lip ring, and a helpful recipe book to get you blending. What we like. This personal blender offers 600 watts of power to easily turn fruits and vegetables into nutritious smoothies. Its simple, intuitive design makes it incredibly easy to use. Just push, twist, and blend. If you're new to making smoothies or want a no-fuss, quick way to get essential nutrients into your diet, this is the perfect starter blender for you. What people say. It's super easy to use and blends everything so smoothly, from frozen fruits to nuts, no problem at all. Plus, it's compact and easy to clean, which is a huge plus for me. I like that the Nutribullet doesn't leak at all. The cups and blades are easy to clean, and replacement cups are available. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Big Mouth Juicer. Introducing the Hamilton Beach Big Mouth Juicer, your ultimate solution for fresh, homemade juice. Experience the convenience of juicing whole fruits and vegetables with its innovative design. Trust in the best with America's #1 juice extractor brand. This durable juicer is backed by a 3-year limited warranty, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase. Save time and effort with the extra-large 3-inch Big Mouth chute. It fits whole fruits and vegetables, so you can skip the tedious pre-cutting step. Achieve maximum juice yield from both hard and soft foods thanks to its powerful 800-watt motor. It efficiently extracts juice from a wide variety of produce. Cleaning up is a breeze. The removable parts, including the pulp bin, juice bowl, lid, and pusher, are all dishwasher safe for effortless maintenance. From crisp apples and oranges to leafy greens and cucumbers, this versatile juicer handles it all. Enjoy a wide range of healthy and delicious juices. What we like. This juicer features an extra-large 3-inch feed chute, allowing you to juice whole fruits and vegetables without pre-cutting. With an 800-watt motor, it maximizes juice yield from both hard and soft produce. If you value saving time on prep work and want a durable juicer that's easy to clean, this is an excellent option for quick, efficient juicing. What people say. The large 3-inch feed chute makes it so easy to juice whole fruits and vegetables without a lot of prep work. It powers through everything quickly with the strong 800W motor, and the juice comes out fresh and smooth, perfect for adding into our plant-based smoothies. Cleanup is simple compared to other juicers I've tried, which makes me want to use it every day. The parts rinse off easily, and it doesn't feel like a hassle after making a batch of juice. Number 2. Breville BJE430SL Juice Fountain Cold. Introducing the Breville Juice Fountain Cold, a high-performance juicer designed for your health. Its innovative cold extraction system preserves nutrients, giving you delicious and healthy juice every time. Our unique cold spin technology and precision mesh filter ensure that heat doesn't damage the vitamins and minerals in your fruits and vegetables. Enjoy nutrient-rich juices packed with goodness. Save time with the extra-wide chute. You can juice whole fruits and vegetables like carrots and apples without any pre-cutting. Making healthy drinks has never been easier. Juice a large batch of your favorite produce at once. The extra-large 70 fluid ounces jug seals and stores your juice, perfect for the whole family and can be kept fresh in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. The LED display alerts you if the motor is overloaded, preventing damage and ensuring long-lasting performance. This feature provides secure and reliable operation. Enjoy a clean kitchen with our smart juice nozzle. Simply invert it when you're done to prevent any drips, keeping your countertop spotless even during continuous juicing. This juicer comes with everything you need, including a large jug with a froth separator and a brush for easy cleaning. You can even juice directly into your glass with the detachable spout. What we like. This juicer utilizes an innovative cold extraction system to preserve vitamins and minerals in your juice. Its unique 3-inch wide chute feed means less pre-cutting of fruits and vegetables. If you're serious about nutrient-rich juices and want to make large batches to store for up to 3 days, this is the juicer for you. What people say. It's easy to assemble and use and makes great juice. She's used both fruits and vegetables in it, and they all worked well. It's quick and easy to clean. It's heavy enough so it doesn't dance around the countertop, but not so heavy that it's difficult to maneuver for a senior who has arthritis. Best juicer on the market, I wouldn't go with anything else. I've had it for about 2 years and it still works great. It's easy to clean and it does a great job juicing. It is money well spent. I tip my hat to Breville for such a well-thought-out, well-engineered appliance. Goes together and comes apart so darn easy there's no need to reference the manual. Very straightforward. The quality is without doubt very good. It doesn't leave the countertop due to using it a couple of times a week where it works so well. Juice is great, fairly quiet, powerful motor and it stays put when juicing, doesn't walk across the countertop when running. Number 1. Nutribullet Mini Juicer. Experience the power of a 400-watt motor that extracts maximum nutrition from your fruits and vegetables. It makes juicing effortless and efficient. The wide 2-inch feed chute accommodates larger ingredient pieces, significantly reducing your prep time. Spend less time chopping and more time enjoying fresh juice. Cleanup is a breeze with top-rack dishwasher-safe parts. The silicone spout cap effectively catches drips, keeping your countertops clean. You can juice directly into the included 16-ounce cup. Its twist-on lid allows for spill-free sipping and easy portability, perfect for your busy lifestyle. This juicer is designed to take up minimal space, making it ideal for any kitchen. It's easy to keep on your counter or store away when not in use. Enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year limited warranty. This product is built to North American and Canadian electrical standards for your safety. What we like. This mini juicer packs a 400-watt motor into a compact design, perfect for small kitchens or countertops. It allows you to juice directly into a 16-ounce cup with a to-go lid for ultimate portability. If you're looking for a space-saving juicer that makes single servings easy and mess-free, this is an ideal choice for quick, personal juice on the go. What people say. Its simplicity and ease of use have won over my mom, who generally finds it challenging to adapt to new gadgets. This machine, however, has been an exception. She absolutely loves it. The Nutribullet Mini Juicer's compact size does not compromise its performance. It's easy to set up, use, and clean, making it perfect for quick, nutritious juices. It handled fruits and softer vegetables well and felt powerful enough for everyday use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.